Andrea got rushed to the hospital after getting into a terrible car crash. Make sure you watch right into the end to see that. This is the craziest car crashes caught on camera. Now, this first clip is insane because when this police officer pulled over this car for speeding, another car lost control in the distance and went straight into them. But make sure you like this video and subscribe right now if you love the royalty family.
Bravo, serve me rescue.
But this next one was even crazier because this woman was stopped in some traffic when the guy behind wasn't slowing down and went straight into the back of her with so much speed.
Ay, papá. Aprieta el culito ahí que eso es pura gasolina. Mami. Mami, me acaban de chocar. Mami.
Ay, ¿cómo así? Ay, ¿qué hubo?
Me acaban de chocar.
Bendito sea Dios.
But in this next clip, this guy was getting a driving lesson by his dad when he nearly crashed into a police car in front of him, and this was so close.
Center lane, of course. Slow down, brake! What were you doing? Trying to hit the cop?
Now this next one is gonna shock you because when this $500,000 McLaren was driving through India, everyone was freaking out and chasing after it to take pictures. And because there were so many people around the car, it caused a massive crash. So as we can see, there's so many people chasing the car right now, and because they were so close together, some of them crashed at the end. Now in this next clip, when these two guys were just having a nice drive together, this car pulled out right in front of them on a main road and they had no time to slow down and crashed straight into them. Now this next crash was in a $300,000 Lamborghini Huracan because they were racing it on this road and they lost control and crashed so badly. Now in this next clip, this guy tried to exit the motorway last second, and because he did it so quick, he lost control and this could have gone a lot worse than it did. Now this next one was so scary because once again this woman was stopped in traffic when someone behind her didn't slow down and crashed straight into the back of her, and she got so shocked.
Video protected. Video protected. Video protected.
But just before we show Andrea's car crash at the end, in this next clip, we have this guy that was driving his Mustang, just having a good day, when he passed out at the wheel and started driving it round in a field unconsciously, and when he woke up at the end, he was so confused. But finally guys, we have the one you've all been waiting for, because Andrea got rushed to the hospital after getting into a terrible car accident, and this looked so bad.
If you guys have watched right to the very end of the video, make sure you click onto one of these two videos on the screen right now because they're insane. So click one right now and peace out.